Hi, this is Sheridan College, IT Help Desk. You're speaking to Muhib Islam. Can I please have your full name?
Yeah, it's Tanvir Sohi.
Tanvir Sahi. Okay, Tanvir, may I please know your concern?
So I'm trying to connect to the shared and secure access Wi-Fi to connect to the school's internet. I gave my username and password and everything like that. Nothing was incorrect because I know my username and password by heart.
Yes.
There would be an error message popping out saying can't connect to internet or something like that. I looked at my friend's laptop and he was able to connect to the internet with shared and secure access Wi-Fi. And he gave his username and password as well. Could I get some help, please? My assignment is due midnight, and I don't know what to do about this.
Oh, okay. I see.
This is not the first time I'm dealing with this as well. It's become very repetitive.
So when you're trying to connect to Sheridan Secure Access Internet and put your username and password, it shows an error message saying you're unable to connect to the internet. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
For this case, you're feeling too worried right now, aren't you?
Of course, I am done with this mess. You know how much I panic about the assignments our teachers give us?
I can clearly understand you're feeling anxious and worried, and I'm really sorry about the situation you have to go through.
Thank you. Please help me through this.
Not a problem at all. Can I please have your student ID followed by your username and password? And also, can I please have the laptop's make and model? And I also want to know how long ago you have purchased this laptop.
It's the Asus ZenBook Pro 14 inch. I believe it has an i9 Intel processor, and the clock speed goes up to 3.2 gigahertz with the DDR4 RAM. And the SSD is also 512 gigabytes.
Okay, okay, thank you very much. I'm just looking up some information on the file. Hmm. Okay, it shows that you did not register your device with one of our representative that sits at IT administration desk. Could you kindly tell me what is your home campus?
My home campus is the Davis campus, located by Steeles and McLaughlin.
And are you in the campus right now?
Yes, I'm on campus right now.
Okay, please reach out to the IT help desk and register your laptop with them. Your username and password seems to appear in our system correctly, but your laptop is relatively new and is not registered with Sheridan College.
Oh, okay. I'll do that as soon as possible then.
Oh, goody. I'm glad to hear that from you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks. That would be it. Yeah, you just saved me from not being able to submit my assignment for school.
It is always my pleasure to assist people with what they need and what they want. Once again, thank you very much for your time, Mr. Sohi, and hope you have a wonderful day.